Welcome back to Itel Kitchen. Thank you so much for joining us here today. Today we're going to share with you this delicious butter bean vegetable stew with turmeric flavor. So it's like a broad bean curry. First thing we're going to do is prepare our vegetables using onion, tomatoes, some string beans, but you can use whatever vegetables you feel comfortable using in your dish as long as they're cooked out well. So we start off by frying up some of the turmeric powder in some oil and adding our prepped vegetables into that oil and allow them to cook out a little bit. And we're also going to be adding some water to this so we create a nice sauce, and also the water will be helping the vegetables to cook. So adding the water after a while and then covering it down and allow it to simmer for about 5 minutes before proceeding. What consistency are you looking for? Because you're adding water, what consistency do you want?
Body, no, you have little body and the them are steam little bit. Them are steam little bit. Okay, go for there. Make it simmer for about 5.
So you're gonna allow this to cook together for another 5 minutes, and that is pretty much it. See there, you don't know. Now we're serving this with some fluffy white rice. Delicious. Kids love it. It's a very filling family meal as well. You know, we're on a lockdown, so everybody is home together. So this is one that we can share in an ITAL food. No animal. Remember, you can join us on iTalk Kitchen by liking your favorite videos and subscribing to our channel. Take care, eat well, walk good.